All right, guys, we're going to do a big blues piece today. Let's take a listen. All right. Doesn't that sound fun? I played a lot there for part one. But yes, I am Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. We're going to do the part one right here. All the rest of the lessons, and there are so many of them, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. If you are a member, you can download the sheet for this, and I do recommend doing that. That's a big help. But guys, I want to announce real quick my Christmas series that I just uploaded. It's our first special series. It's 10 of my favorite Christmas songs that weren't already on the website. Check it out on the site. They're great. They're fun. They really get you in the holiday mood. And now is the time to start working on them, because if you wait till Christmas, then it's too late to learn anything, right? You got to start right now. So get a jump on that. All right. So here we go with the part one. And guys, I will tell you to listen to this. Look up this guy on YouTube. This is a hard request, and someone hired me to do this lesson series on this performance. But the guy's name is Terrence Scheider, Shider. He's amazing. He has a few thousand views on every video. He should have millions. I don't know how some of these videos get millions and he gets thousands, but he deserves millions. I love listening to him play. I could listen to him all day. He's amazing. But look up Terrence Scheider, E-flat blues improv, and that's what we're doing here. We start about 20 seconds in. We're not going to really use the first 20 seconds of what he does, but right after that we are, and then the rest of it, you're going to enjoy it. Let's get started, get to the board. Okay, so this is an advanced lesson. If you are a beginner, what are you doing here? Unless you're just watching for fun, all right? And there is value in that, kind of just watch and see what's going on in the advanced lessons. But if you need beginner lessons, I have those as well on the site. Or if you have gaps in your piano playing and your learning, to fill in those gaps, I also have lessons for you. So make sure you're playing things that are on your level, okay? All right, so here we go. We're going to start out with a chord that I wasn't going to start with. I was just going to start with. So I decided to put this chord right in front. All right, rather than write the whole board over again, I thought I'd just slip it in up here at the top. If you download the sheet, you can zoom in and see that really good, but it's an E-flat chord with a B-flat on the bass, okay? So we have a B-flat left hand. The right hand's going to have G, B-flat, E-flat, G. Okay, we're going to play that first. Then I have my squiggly line. Isn't that a great technical term, a squiggly line? We're just going to play the same chord. We're going to move up to the E-flat chord here. E-flat, B-flat, E-flat in the left. Right hand, G, B-flat, E-flat, G. What you just had. We're going to roll it up. We're going to roll it up again. Roll it up again. Just like it's a harp effect. Right? Piano's really good at imitating the harp that way. So we're going to play a chord. Boom. And then you have to practice that. Slow motion it's. So my left hand is moving up as my right hand's playing so that I can keep it going. It's one of those things that's not really that hard. Sounds difficult, but once you get into it, you find it really rolls off the fingers pretty easily. All right, so boom. Wait a little bit, and then boom, boom. All right, kind of be lazy in your tempo in this blues style. E flat. Then you see the G with the hooks in it. That means we're gonna flip before the G, F sharp to G. B flat's kind of my little notation for a blues flip, I call it. Now we're going to go, all right, now don't make your flip too fast. Don't go where it's mechanical and robotic. We want to, boom, like almost like you're slipping, on the note there. B flat and then, so C, F, A flat on the right, left hand on a C. Got an F minorish chord here. Then G flat, F, da da, bum, ba dum. Then here we have B flat, E flat, F sharp. And the flip is so slow, I just wrote it out to G. So bum ba-dum. There's no metronomic timing that I can hear at this point. It's just kind of playing and enjoying the sounds of the chords. Okay, so just kind of feel your way through the rhythm. Bum, ba-bum, bum. And then come up here. All right, so brum, bum, brum, bum. Kind of reminds me of that old show, All in the Family. For some reason, that intro that they have, dun, 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 dun. There's a part of the song that does that, I think. F and C on the left, right hand, E flat, G, C. But I'm going to take my second finger, and I'm going to flip that G from an F sharp. Like that, but don't do it too fast. Then play that part of the chord again, and then you play the chord again. But make your flip a slow flip. And then D, F, A flat, B flat, left hand on a B flat. Then a B flat up high, then B flat low. Okay, so from the beginning we have bum. And then of course the next part, very common blues thing. All right. Guys, that's our part one, and I gave you a lot here on the board you can kind of look at, but there's so much more. That's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much to do in this one. It's going to be a lot of fun. See you on webpianoteacher.com.